Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Wow, December 2nd. I've got so much work to do. I've got to print out some new sticker sheets. I've got some test ones that I've got to do. Also have to print out some other ones just to stock up, and so yeah, so I'm gonna take you along on that. Got my big cup of coffee. I'm probably gonna have to have 4 cups like I did yesterday because I've got so much to do. But today is just office stuff, so I'm not really going anywhere. Well, I'm going to church tonight, but that's it. So I'll take you along with me on that one too. But my GoPro decided not to film yesterday, so I'm just filming on my iPad because I must have dropped my phone too many times because it doesn't want to film for me either. So this Vlogmas is going to be pretty interesting. I'd love to get a vlogging camera, but not right now. So I will come back and see you later. Well, it's almost 12 o'clock and I'm checking back in with you again. Had to clean off my computer before I could get any work done. I don't know about you, but I keep way too much stuff on my computer, so I offloaded a whole bunch onto some thumb drives. I've got to get a new portable hard drive. Mine sort of works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't, and I have a whole bunch of files it's holding captive, so I have to get a new one. So now I'm about to start designing some sticker sheets, and I've already designed the actual artwork. Now it's just putting them on stickers. Okay, there we go. Excuse my loudmouth rooster outside. Alright, I'll check back in with y'all later. Alright, I'm dressed and presentable. I'm getting ready to go to church, so I made chili tonight. Not as cold today as it was yesterday, but still need chili. So, might take you along for the ride, but I'll see you later, maybe.